My NOTPIXEL. Now once you open the NOTPIXEL app, you click on this paint. You just tap the screen and this paint option will pop up. Now once it's up, all you need to do, you will see your energy level. If it's 1, 2, 5, it depends. You click on it. Now if I click on paint, as you can see, my number have increased. Before 78, now it's 709. So you just click on, tap on that paint and it will increase. For you to get more NOTPIXEL, you click on this place. This place you're seeing your balance. Click on it. When you click on it, you click on tasks. Now, if you click on tasks, you see the tasks, some of them have done them. You see the tasks you can do in order to earn more NOTPIXEL. Now, I've seen most people saying that they don't want to have anything to do with any project that is answering PIXEL because of what PIXELverse did to us, but it is backed by NotCoin, so make sure you don't miss it. I'm telling you, I've made my own research and I'm here telling you that this project is going to pay us if only you can take it serious. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about NOTPIXEL and why you should not joke with it. So now, once you perform all these tasks, you click on this place, Boost. Now, if you click on Boost, you click on this level. If I click on this arrow, now you see that if I want to increase my level to level 2, I need 5 PIXEL to do that. That is, they would take 5 PIXEL from my balance in order for me to enter into the next level. And what will this level help me to do? It will help me to gain more energy, which I can use to paint. Remember, you need the energy because without the energy, you will not get more NOTPIXEL. So you will use the energy to paint, and the more you paint, the more you will come here to claim reward. As you can see, I just click here, I've claimed. Now, how do I get these rewards that I'm getting in every 1 minute? You get this reward by painting. The more you paint, the more you will get this reward in a minute. Now, if I click on recharging speed, click on it. Now, this also will help me to recharge my speed very fast. And all I need is just 5 PIXEL to do that as well. And you click on your energy limits as well. Now, let's click on this place. This star you are seeing here. Click on star. Now, if you click on star, it says star shop. You will see that I can also use star to increase my mining speed. I can use star to boost if you want, which is not really mandatory. So if you don't want to use stars, you can increase your level and then use it to get more PIXEL. Now, as you can see, it's going, once this thing reaches here, I will get more energy that I can use to paint. Now, once I have 779, once I click on paint, you will see it will enter 80. So I click on paint, it have increased to 780. Now, this plus sign you are seeing here, the work is just to zoom it in so that you can see where to paint. Now, I want you to see something. If, for instance, I click here, any of this place I tap, you will see that it's someone that paints this thing. Now, if you click on this info, if I click on it, you will see the information of the person that have painted this, everything you need to know about the person. So we have thousands of people painting. Do not joke with this project. If you miss NotCoin, if you miss dogs, please don't miss NOTPIXEL. It's a very good project backed by NotCoin itself. I know that every one of us saw how NotCoin blessed many people. So if you miss NotCoin, I want you to start mining this project. I'll drop the link on the comment section of this video, so make sure you start immediately if you have not started. Now, if you click on this sign you're seeing here, click on it. Let's go down. You copy your referral link, send it to your friends so that they can start mining with you as well. It's very easy to do. Make sure you start now if you have not started, because this project is a good and legit project backed by the owners of NotCoin. Don't joke with it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or you are still confused, drop it on the comment section and I'm here to direct you on and also to clarify you. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye.